In a world where every step leaves a mark, the rain whispers secrets of renewal. "Why do you wash away our paths?" asked a wanderer. "To remind you," the rain replied, "that every day is a chance to begin anew." A painter watched as colors bled into one another, creating a masterpiece of chaos. "Embrace the unexpected," the rain sang. A child danced in puddles, each splash a symphony of joy. "Find happiness in the moment," the rain laughed, and so footprints vanished but dreams soared. Remember, every drop holds a promise of fresh starts. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.